In this video, we'll use Scratch to make a basic sprite control that uses repetition and branching. To do this, we will use a flowchart to help plan out the blocks and flow of the code. We want our sprite to move up when we press the up arrow key. To do this, we will use a binary branching question. In this case, if up arrow is pressed, then yes, then we want to change the position of Y by 5 units. If no, we keep on checking. We continue this check with all the other arrow keys, changing the positions to suit. Eventually, we'll get through that and we will repeat and check again. Up arrow is a y-axis plus number, down arrow is y-axis minus number, while the left arrow is a axis x-axis minus and the right arrow is x-axis plus. Okay, so to begin we're going to need to start with an event, and the event will be when flag is clicked. We're going to want to repeat forever our checking of which arrows are being clicked. We're then going to use a if statement with a sensing. So we're going to sensing and we're going to say if space, in this case, we'll change that to arrow, up arrow. If the up arrow is pressed, then we want to change, not set, but we want to change our y-axis by 5. Now we could redo that, or we can simply right click, duplicate, and change that to down arrow and -5. We can duplicate again. This time we need it to be to the right, so we'll make it a right arrow. We will need to totally change that because we need to use the X, so change X by 5, +5 to the right, copy that, duplicate, left arrow, and this will be a -5 because we are moving to the left. We can now drag all of that up into there, and we should now be able to run our code and watch our sprite move as we need. There we go.